Hello and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video, I'm going to go over how you can make $20 per hour listening to audio and typing what you hear. It's a very simple way, a realistic way to make money online. Can you type 60 words per minute? And if you can't, there are ways to practice to get better and faster at typing, more accurate. There's free tools, free websites out there that will help you take a speed typing test as well. Do you want flexibility to work any hours you want and make your own schedule? This opportunity will allow for that. And finally, this is a great supplemental income opportunity. This can help pay some bills, help fund your main online business. So most importantly, you can make some money with this, but this would be very difficult to make this into a full-time income, but you definitely can make a good side hustle income with this strategy. And taking the earnings from what you earn with this strategy and putting it back into your main business, whether that's paying for your tools, for your website, your hosting, your email provider, just different tools that you need in order to make an online business grow. This would be a great way to be able to pay for that stuff. So the first one, jump right in and let's get to the very first website that you can make money doing this. So it's called QuickTate.com, and QuickTate.com is a transcription service that you sign up for, and customers will go to the site and they'll sign up to get a video or a piece of audio transcribed. And so what your job will be to do as an employee for QuickTate is to take that audio or video and listen to it through your headset, and whatever you hear from the audio, you're going to type that. You're going to type that in, and then you're going to turn it in. And this is called transcription services. So you're going to transcribe audio. Now they do this site in particular. You have to have a minimum of 60 words per minute typing speed, and it needs to be accurate, which is generally speaking about average. I'd say average is between 40 and 70 words per minute. So it's right there at the top of, still being kind of in the average. There are people that can type 100 plus words per minute, but right at 60 is a pretty decent speed. And a lot of people can type that. If you signed up for some typing classes and practiced, if you were, maybe you're at 40 or 50 words per minute and you just need that extra bump, you can practice for, I would say, about a week or two, and you would really be able to increase that skill set and move up into the 60 plus words per minute. Then you'd be able to go and sign up at QuickTate.com. And, they do, this is a serious website. This is a real opportunity. You have to pass a typing test, and you can take some of those practice tests at typingtest.com. So QuickTate is a good one. We're going to go in. I'm going to show you that real quick at QuickTate. So here's what the site looks like. And if you were a customer of QuickTate, you would come in here, and that's mostly what the website is geared towards, is taking on more customers. And you can see they work with big companies like CNN, Ford, Wells Fargo, Allstate, Coca-Cola. And what you would do is if you were one of these clients and you needed something transcribed, you would just come in here and fill out this form and sign up for an account. But on their whole homepage, there's only one place to sign up, and you can click on this, interested in becoming a transcriber. Click here, and this is where you're going to start filling out the application to start working for QuickTate. So that's what QuickTate looks like. We're going to jump into the next one real quick. And so the next one is called A3on.com or A3on.com. And this one is for US and Canada only. So if you don't live in the United States or Canada, this site might not work for you. This one's geared more towards the medical, legal, academic fields, and you must have 2 years of experience. But this one is another one similar to QuickTate, and this is what the site looks like. A3on, and it's speech to text, so it's transcription as well. There's a bunch of different places you can go on the site, but if you scroll down to the bottom, then there should be a place down here that allows you to sign up. So where is it? Okay, so under jobs, you can go to jobs. There's a different couple of links. You can click on all opportunities, and this is where you're gonna see transcriptionist, medical right here. Then here's a non-medical transcriptionist, and so they have different, they also have different jobs here as far as client support, so like a customer service representative. But these are actual positions that are posted on the website, just like you would find at a normal employer. And so you're welcome to come in here and start filling out an application if you have experience in that sort of thing. So that's A3on, and finally we go into the third opportunity, which is Scribie, Scribie.com, and Scribie.com's been around since 2008. They do general audio transcription, and so they're not specific to medical or academic or legal category like that. Now, the good thing about Scribie is they hire both beginner and experienced transcribers. When you sign up at Scribie.com and you become a transcriptionist and you're looking for work, they give out the jobs or the tasks on a first come first served basis. So it's like a queue, and let's say that there's 100 jobs in the queue. You can only check one job out at a time. So once you click on that job, and then you'll have a certain amount of time before it'll automatically the timer will go out and give other people an opportunity to take that job. But you'll have that kind of in a placeholding until you decide that you want to do that job. And once you click that job, then you'll have a certain amount of time to get that job done. But you can only do one at a time. And so if you've ever worked on Text Broker as a writer, and I may do a video on Text Broker because I make money on Text Broker as a writer as well. But on Text Broker, it's a lot like that. There's plenty of work, and you have a listing of all kinds of work to do. But you can only do one article at a time. So it helps share the workload for all the writers on the site. So Scribie.com is a lot like that. So you work on one file at a time. This is a really big website, big company. They have 23,000 worldwide transcribers signed up to the site. They're working for Scribie.com already. And this one you can earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. Now, bear in mind on this one that, $20 per audio hour, it's going to take you longer than that 1 hour to type that. Could end up taking an hour and a half, 2 hours to type that. And so let's just say it takes you 2 hours to transcribe that 1 hour of audio, then you'll be making about $10 per hour. But hey, $10 per hour for a job you can work online and a legitimate website, I say that's pretty cool. And this allows you the flexibility to work as much or as little as you want. So Scribie.com, let's go here. Oh, okay, let's go. It's at the top here real quick. And so this is what it looks like, Scribie.com, and you scroll to the bottom. It has some information about how much they pay and how much it costs to get stuff transcribed through this company. But you can actually, right here, join as a transcriber, submit your application, take the online test, and earn per audio hour. Apply now. So you can click on the Apply Now button, and it'll take you over to their application. Now here's some of the stuff that they require. It's a home-based job. You work at your own convenience, which is amazing. $5 to $25 per audio hour pay rate. So on my slide I actually had till to 20, but it's actually up to $25 per hour per audio hour. Now these are short files, 10 minutes or less, so that's great. So you're going to be focusing on little tasks, 10 minutes at a time, and let's just double it and say it takes 20 minutes to do the 10 minutes. You're going to make $5 to $10, and you're just going to keep rolling with that. 2 hours turnaround time for each file. So they already set the pace for you right there. It's got to take you. You can't take more than 2 hours for your audio file, because the files are short. All kinds of good stuff. And then you can possibly get a monthly bonus of $5 per every 3 hours completed. There's no obligations to keep signing up for the work, no monthly commitments or withdrawal limits, and they don't assign files. You get to preview and choose the files to work on. So like I was explaining, it's a lot like a site like TextBroker. So just wanted to show you guys these today. So that's today's video. If you take this opportunity, those are real websites I just showed you, where you can go and sign up. All you have to do is listen to some audio and type what you hear and turn your work in, and you can make $20 to $25 per audio hour that you do. And you could work on this and say you wanted to make $200 to maybe $600 per month. You work on this 10 hours a week. That's a nice chunk of change. That can help you pay for your car. That can help you pay, the electric and gas bill. That can help you pay to help fund your online business and help escalate you to the next level. Because when you're doing this online thing, you do need a little bit of money to get you to that next level. Whether that's advertising, if you write a book and publish your book on Amazon, you need some funding to advertise for that, because in today's market, it's so competitive. There's so many people doing that you have to stand out. You have to be able to stand out, and one way is to be able to advertise your product. If you're building websites and you want to pay for search engine optimization services, there's just a lot of different things that making this work online. You've got to have a little bit of. You don't have to have a lot, but just a little bit of money monthly to help escalate you to the next level. So I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please hit that like button. Also, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I'm coming out with daily videos on how to create a job for yourself online, how to make real actual money online, and I show proof of earnings on some of the strategies that I use on a daily basis to make money online. So I hope to see you next time. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.